Hey everyone, Roger from Ask the Car Experts YouTube channel. I'm in my wife's Dodge Durango and she ran into this problem where if I press the wiper stalk, I can hear the pump running, but I have zero output. Now it is 32 degrees and the fluid should really not be frozen because the fluid's freeze point is a lot lower than 32 degrees. So I'm going to take a look and we're going to figure out what's going on. A couple of quick thoughts here. So when I press the button and the wipers run, I can hear the pump running. So that means the pump is getting power and ground and it is activating. So what could it be? The pump might not be producing enough pressure. There could be a clog in the system. The screen maybe is clogged. We're going to take a look and find out. I just realized that the fluid actually is going down. So the pump is running. So taking a look in the engine compartment, I just saw some signs of spray. Well, that was a lot easier than I expected. So this has just a rubber piece here, and it looks like it popped out. So I just got to force that back in. But this actually feeds the washer nozzles. So it just goes to show a little bit of common sense and understanding how the system works, knowing that the pump's running, that you can quickly diagnose a problem like this just by observing, and with a friend to activate it, you can realize what the issue may be. So here's my fix. Just take a zip tie and put a little bit of pressure on the rubber, and this is a raised edge here, so it no longer is going to be able to pop free. So that's going to hold it in place. Look at that, nice and simple. Washer system's all fixed. It's great. It just took a simple zip tie. So if you ever run into a weird problem with your wipers, always check the lines, make sure nothing has separated, and obviously you want to check your reservoir and check your pump. If you hear your pump running, you could pop it out and see if it actually outputs fluid. If it doesn't output fluid, then you know it's a pump. Make sure you have power and ground. If it's running, obviously you have power and ground. You move on from there. Sometimes the screen, there's a little screen on the bottom, that can get some algae buildup. If you take that screen out, clean it, put it back in, and then you're good to go again too. So just some other common things I've seen, but it's very important to have your wipers, especially in New England, because of all of the road salt that gets sprayed up on the windshield. Definitely a safety issue if you don't have wipers working. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Please give it a like and shoot me a comment. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll talk to you soon.